amanye amantombazane mayenza ama-skincare routine uhlala wenzeni wena? Uhlala wenzeni nje? Mhlampe engasho ukuthi ulokhu unkonkofela ama-filter TikTok. Lokhu unkonkofela ama-filter TikTok. Ufihla le lunch bar oyiyo. Okay. But wenzani? Lokula indaba zabantu unenkinga eziningi uyiwani. Ayisuka. Bafethu ngiphuma ukuyogeza yazi. Lana ngihlangana nelo Nkosi yami. Yazi ngihlangana nento engibona ukuthi Nkosi yami yazi lena ingasiza, yabo. Le ingasiza kakhulu eyamakhwaphe ingasiza kakhulu ngoba bengaqamba manga nayi confirmation. Yebo? Confirmation nayi. Bengingamsukeli, it's not like mhlambe like I'm stating facts, you understand? So bengingamsukeli mina ugeli namazinya ama-choice assorted. Khona elincane elikhulu eliqondile eligwegwile yabo nje. So Nkosi yami nama-braces ngeke awakhulise la mazinga amancane la ngathi ahlohliwe ampintsheka engathi nawa invite kodwa bengadingeki like angeke. But anyways ngithi mina mfethu ngoba usuhlele lezi spray ezipinki ezi green ezi yellow ngithi mhlawumbe awuzame lesi strong ake lesi yabo esamadoda sisiza kakhulu emadodeni ngoba ngikholwa ukuthi weza ugezile noma weza ungagezile njalo yabo angikholwa noma mhlawumbe wakhohlwa ukuspray yake after the moment angazi kodwa into ayisho lapha siswami hayi khona angeke. So I recommend this one, si strong yabo si strong lesi siya last ke impela lesi 48 hours yabo ngoba hayi khona phela birds of the same flock fly together. Awukwazi ukuthi abakini ungathi bona abagezi wena ugeza. Uhluke ngani hayibo angimsukeli njengoba ngisho funa lento yokuthi nokho nithi ingane this ingane uyingane kubo akasingane le kubo kwababakhe noma wakhe uyingane khona. Ningalokho nithi uyingane la siyekela ingane isidelela le ngane hlezi isidelela abantu abadala le isuka le idelelile manje nala ameli izodelela futhi kusi playground le phela sikho crash. Uyingane le kubo hayi la ngoba usho into kimi engahlangene wangibody shame mina mase ngimbody shame sekuyinkinga hayi nani abantu osakazeke etsheni.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Father Patrick comes for Unalidi aphiwe once again. This time umqhamukela umtshela angeface yakhe sengukuthi face yakhe ngathi i-lunch bar wendani ngalesikhani lami emantombazane ndama-skincare routines. He even said ukuthi Unalidi uhlala ngwangorela ama-filter uthembe ama-filter akukuthi avale lama-lunch bar akhe lalabusweni. But I'm thinking mina ukuthi this thing it's now going far, man. Okay, at first bekuba ngazuthi mdlalo, but now say like too personal, because you cannot drag someone acne yakhe abakubuhlungu indlela esimangayisa. Ngabe naledi hlampe umqalile ngokuthi angena indzaba yakhe nantokozo, because vele le ndzaba lena it wasn't about Unalidi nguye lotifakile, but mase bamgwara bamtshela ngebuso bakhe lobo i-lunch bar ukuthi uthembe kusebenzisa ama-filter. It's really heartbreaking. Unalidi she even decided ukuthi block Father Patrick. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.